All the pickers, all the pickers.
Yes.
All you bring all your cutters? No? So how you'll pick the fruits? Look, I only have one cutter there.
They'll have to take turns for the bites.
Huh? Oh, okay. All right. Let's go. Somebody else coming for more. You see that? Best we eat all before they reach, you know. Man come for more. I will eat out all.
Good afternoon.
Oh,
When I see the young boy over there, so I'll go to him one time. Right.
we down on this side, way. You see what we doing?
Yeah. The sampling.
Yeah, man.
And you know coming there?
Yeah.
I don't see you. I don't see you. Hello.
Yeah, man. Come and join me.
How do you tell them to this and
Here, pick one for him. Look one right here. Pick that one there for him. Show him how to do it. Because he don't know, you know.
What is the expert girl?
Let go.
You're the expert in the business. So this
Give
one
it.
for me? All right, thank you. What I say? I'll tell you how it is just now. Yeah. You know what I come for?
Uh-huh.
About 5 years.
Okay.
Here, look one.
Dun, ta-da, ta-da-da-da-da-da. What we have here? Put on the light.
1.580.
Right. That is a pound and a half plus. Oh, hey, what is this? Oh my gosh, it's big like your head, girl. Wait till let me see. Wait. Hi, yeah.
280.
2 pound, 2 ounces, 80 pence.
What?
Pence. Look at how much we eat. Look at how much we eat. That is joke. Who she see there? We eat all of that, boy? And we have more in the bag here to eat? Oh my gosh, yeah. We going for a belly busting competition or what?
We gonna be like this.
Uh-huh. If you eat one of that, your belly will poof.